Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be answering another question from one of our YouTube viewers, and I really love helping you guys. So if you have any more questions, then do let me know, or either drop down in the comment section below. I'm gonna make more videos on that, or maybe I'm gonna answer you in the comment section below. So today's video is related to the print on demand, and I'm gonna be answering that question. So if you're interested in this, stick till the end. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. And also, if you want the free resources, the free graphics, the KDP interiors, patterns, and so much more, then I have a bunch of the links are in description box below, or either you can just head on to the platform that's globocreative.com and just go on to the freebie section and download all the freebies that are available, which contains the full commercial license, and you can use it for whatever way you want to. And make sure to check it out each month, because I'm gonna be adding each month onto that platform. Okay, let's talk about that question. And the question is, can I add the design for the above trends in Jazzle and the threadless? Will the customers look at other print on demand websites or designs for the above mentioned trends? If you are guys not familiar with that, then let me tell you that I make weekly videos, weekly YouTube shorts videos talking about the Redbubble trends of the week, and I usually try to say the three trends three trends of the week. And in that one of the YouTube shorts video, I got this comment, and that person is asking me that these trends are also be applicable for the Jazzle or threadless or for any other print on websites or not. So I'm gonna hop onto my laptop at the back, and we're gonna actually search onto the Jazzle and threadless and look out that whether the trends that we talk about as the Redbubble trends these are also there onto these platforms or not. Like if I'm just talking about the Redbubble trends, you can use it for other platforms or not. So we will be confirming it. Yes, we will be confirming it by actually looking onto the Jazzle marketplace and onto the threadless. We're gonna search for that trend and see if it's there on these platforms or not. So that is the question, and I'm gonna answer you. And I hope that many of you guys would also be having this question, because we want to get more sales, and trends is an awesome way to get more sales. And if I'm talking about the Redbubble trends, and if there is any possibility you can use these Redbubble trends for your other print on demand website as well, then it's an amazing opportunity. So hop on to with me guys, let's get straight with on the laptop. So I'm gonna look out for some websites to see that the Redbubble trends are also the trends on these platforms or not. So we will be looking at the Teepublic, the threadless, and the Jazzle, and we're gonna see that these trends are also there on this platform or not. So right now I'm onto the Teepublic. You can see very well I'm onto the Teepublic. So I'm just go hover over to the section, and in that video, in that YouTube shorts, I was talking about the three trends basically. One was the hoster, another one was the versatile tractor, and another one was the apologize. So I'm gonna just type over here the hoster, and we're gonna see whether it's in trend or not, or whether is any design on the Teepublic or not. So here we are. Now I can see for the hoster you can get only the two designs. So that means it's still not that popular onto the Teepublic. And if I'm just gonna type over here the another trend, that is the versatile tractor, let's see. So the versatile tractor has some search results, and yeah, there are the many people who are making the designs in this particular trend. So you can see that this trend is there onto the Teepublic as well. Like many people are making the design for the versatile tractor as well onto the Teepublic, but for the hoster only two design was there. So you can just go out and read and check individual designs and look for what they are doing. But rather than, I'm gonna see another trend, what that the apologize, and look for if it's also there or not. Okay, so apologize is also there onto the Teepublic. So it looks like the Redbubble trends can also be applied to the Teepublic. I'm not 100% sure about it, but you guys, what you can do, you can look for the Redbubble trends and then come onto the Teepublic and type for that particular specific trend and see if there are the designs or not. If there are the designs for that particular trend onto the Teepublic, that means on the Teepublic the people are selling those things. And you can also look, apply, and you can also apply the same Redbubble trends to your Teepublic store as well. So this is the first website that we check out is the Teepublic. So I can see they apologize. There are so many designs, and some of them are the simple text-based design, like the sorry, I'm sorry, my dear. Like it's a quite simple designs, and there are so many designs out there related to the apologize. So now I'm gonna go over to other two platforms, that is a Jazzle and the Threadless, to check it out. So I'm just gonna go over to the Jazzle. Now this is the Jazzle homepage. I'm gonna type the hoster and we're gonna see whether that trend is there onto the Jazzle or not. Wow, so for the hoster it's there. You can see that there are the products that have the hoster, like this coffee mug, the mask, this is the pillow cover, then the cap. Like some designs are there for the hoster as well. So I can see the 8 results are there for the hoster. Okay, it's not that popular onto the Jazzle, but I'm going to check out for the other two trends. That is the versatile tractor, and look for it. Okay, versatile tractor has only 3 results, so that means it's also not in trending on this platform. Let me look out for some other trend. That was the apologize. So let me look out for that. Okay, I see it's there. Like they have the 10,881 results on the apologize on the Jazzle. So I can see the first two trends, that was the hoster and the versatile tractor, was not there. That much designs was not there onto the Jazzle. But for this apologize, they have 10,881 search results onto the Jazzle. So I see that Redbubble trends may or may not be applicable for the Jazzle marketplace. You really need to go and manually search onto the Jazzle and look for the Redbubble trends. Are these available onto the Jazzle or not? So you actually need to go and search for that particular trend on the Jazzle and look for that. If it's there, then you can do it. If it's not there, then you would be the first one to sell any product related to that particular trend onto the Jazzle. And apart from that, one thing I can tell you guys, the Father's Day, the Mother's Day, the Halloween, the Christmas, the Valentine, the Earth Day, these are all the top occasions or seasons or holidays, whatever you can call it, are trends on whatever platform you are selling. They're trending on any platform you are selling. Even if I go for the Jazzle trends, and I can see that these are the products that are trending: the birthday cards, the business cards, the bridal shower invites, the wedding invitations. These are the trending products, and also the occasions are trending. So the Redbubble trends may or may not be applicable to the Jazzle, but I see that it was applicable for the Teepublic, the Threadless, and we're gonna see whether these trends are there or not. So I'm on the Threadless. I'm gonna just go and type over to the hoster and look for that particular trend first of all. So okay, so they have the search results from the hoster. You can see the some people are selling related to the hoster onto the Threadless, but only few results are there. Okay, so not many search results are there. Now I'm gonna type about for the second one, that is the versatile tractor, and look for if it's there or not. Okay, for the versatile tractor, I can see the some search result is there. Some designs are popping. Yeah, products are there related to this particular trend. But for the hoster, there were very less. But I think for the apologize, obviously it will going to have the spelling. Okay, now it's correct. Okay. Okay, for the apologize, they also have the products, and okay, only few products. So I can see from searching for these 3 particular trends that were the Redbubble trends, I see that onto the Teepublic all the 3 trends were there. But for the Threadless and Jazzle, like 1 or 2 was there and rest wasn't there. So I am coming to a conclusion that Redbubble trends may or may not be applicable to these particular websites. You manually need to search for these trends on these websites to look out whether the products are there on these websites or not. If it's there, then you can target them. That means the people are buying them and people are looking for it and all. If it's not there, then if you are selling these trends on these websites, then you would be a pioneer and you can still experiment with the platform and see that whether you can get any sales from these trends or not. So it's a little bit of the experimentation, guys, but yeah, you can try to look out whether it's there or not. Some of the trends may be applicable to these platforms, some of them may not be. So that's my conclusion currently, guys. So do let me know what you think about it. So I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and if you want more such video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I'm gonna upload it, you'll be get notified about it. And if you have any more questions regarding the print on demand, the Creative Fabrica or the KDP, do let me know in the comment section below, guys. I would really love to help you guys and talk to you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.